This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Fluid level checks. Pull the hood release lever located below the steering column. Push the hood safety latch to the side, then raise the hood. Brake fluid level. The brake master cylinder fluid reservoir is located on the driver's side of the engine compartment firewall. The fluid level should be maintained between the max and min lines marked on the side of the reservoir. If the fluid is low, unscrew the cap from the brake fluid reservoir, then top up the reservoir with the specified type of new brake fluid until the fluid reaches the max line. After filling the reservoir to the proper level, install the cap and make sure the cap is fully seated to prevent fluid leakage or contamination. Engine oil level. Pull the dipstick out of the tube and wipe all of the oil away from the end with a clean rag or paper towel. Insert the clean dipstick all the way back into the tube and pull it out again. Note the oil at the end of the dipstick. The level should be between the min and max marks or within the safe zone on the dipstick. To add oil, unscrew the oil filler cap and pour in the correct type of oil. Use a funnel to prevent oil spills. After adding oil, wait a few minutes to allow the level to stabilize. Then pull out the dipstick and check the level again. Add more oil if required until it reaches the max mark. Do not overfill the engine. Insert the dipstick and install the filler cap. Coolant level. A plastic coolant reservoir is located at the right front corner of the engine compartment. If the coolant heats up sufficiently during operation, in excess of the radiator pressure cap rating, it can escape past the cap and into the reservoir. As the engine cools, the coolant is drawn back into the cooling system to maintain the correct level. Turn the reservoir cap slightly counterclockwise to unlock it, then pull out the dipstick. The level in the tank varies with the temperature of the engine. When the engine is cold, the coolant level should be at the min mark on the dipstick. If it isn't, add a 50-50 mixture of Dex-Cool antifreeze and water. If only a small amount of coolant is required to bring the system up to the proper level, water can be used. However, repeated additions of water will dilute the antifreeze and water solution. Install the dipstick and turn the cap to lock it in place. Drive the vehicle, then recheck the coolant level. Automatic transmission fluid level. Immediately after driving the vehicle, park it on a level surface, then raise the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. The vehicle must be level for an accurate check, so both the front and rear ends must be raised and supported. Start the engine and let it idle. While the engine is idling, depress the brake pedal and move the selector lever through all the gear ranges, pausing for a couple of seconds in between, beginning and ending in park. Place a drain pan underneath the transmission fluid pan, then remove the check plug from the bottom of the fluid pan. Fluid should just trickle from the hole. If fluid runs out heavily, allow it to flow until it just drips. If no fluid comes out, turn off the engine. Remove the fill plug and using a fluid pump, add some more until it does. Reinstall the fill plug and depress the plunger to lock it in place. Reinstall the check plug and tighten it to the specified torque setting. Lower the vehicle to the ground Windshield washer fluid level. Fluid for the windshield washer system is stored in a plastic reservoir located at the left front of the engine compartment. Flip open the cap and fill the windshield washer reservoir as necessary. Push the cap securely onto the opening when finished.